We'll guide you through how to make a Game Pass on Roblox on your mobile. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, you'll need to go and quit off Roblox and go and open up a web browser. I'll just use Safari because I'm using an iPhone, but you can use whatever browser you've got. Then go and click on the address bar in your browser, it'll be at the top or the bottom, and type in create.roblox.com. Just like so, and go to that website. And then what you'll need to do is press on login in the top right. After you've signed in, you then need to go to the top left and click on the three lines like this. And you want to go and press on creations and make sure experiences is selected. By default, you have an experience here. However, you may have multiple here. So just click on the one you make a Game Pass for. If you're just trying to make a Game Pass for a game like Please Donate, it doesn't really matter which you click on. So go and click on whichever one and then go to the top left and click on the three lines again. And you need to go and scroll right to the bottom here until you see monetization products. Then go and click on passes and you can go and see your game passes and you'll have the option for create a pass. So click on create a pass, you then have the option to upload an image and you can then name it and add a description. So I'll just go and give it an example name like this, and then I'll click on create pass and we've now gone and created a game pass. And to put it on sale, all you need to do is go and click on it again. You may need to click it twice, I found, and then go to the top left and click on the three lines and click on sales, and you can switch it on and you can type in a price. And just remember, you'll keep 70% and then go and click save changes once you've entered it. It's now for sale, so we'll click on the three lines in the top left and click on experience and then scroll down to passes again, and there it is. And if you want to get the link for it, then just click on the three dots in the top right of the picture and press on open a new tab, and you can then go and see it just here. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like.